Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how to fix the error this application failed to start because GDA32 full.dll is missing bar not found. The first thing you will have to do is to click on search bar and search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. SFC means system file checker. If some Windows functions aren't working or Windows crashes, you can use System File Checker to scan Windows and restore your files. It takes some time to complete the process, so be patient and let the process complete. Now click on the search bar and search for disk cleanup. Click on OK. Here look for the option temporary files and check on it and click on OK. And now click on delete files. After the process complete, restart your system and then the error will be resolved. If you find this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.